Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the NutriChef non-stick kitchen oven baking pans, an 8-piece set that elevates your baking experience to a whole new level. This deluxe set includes everything you need: a baking pan, pizza pan, 2 round pans, a square pan, a loaf pan, a big cookie sheet, and a 12-cup muffin pan, all crafted from durable, BPA-free carbon steel metal with a non-stick coating for effortless food release. With its oven-safe design up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake a variety of delicious treats like chocolate fudge, cookies, cupcakes, apple pie, brownies, and birthday cakes without any hassle. The standout feature is the heat-proof red silicone handles, which not only prevent accidental burns but are also stain-resistant and easy to clean, although hand washing is recommended to extend the life of your pans. Plus, the stackable design makes storage a breeze, saving you precious kitchen space while being fully compatible with standard and convection ovens. Whether you're using them in the oven, refrigerator, or freezer, these pans are designed to meet all your baking needs with commercial-grade restaurant quality. So, get ready to unleash your inner baker and create mouth-watering masterpieces with the NutriChef non-stick kitchen oven baking pans. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.